Dopo cosa? Sale, to ce treba. Gdje to putem sa vodušnost? Dešli se nešto, daj u... Ti sare? Sare, priparu nek.
Just my plate, just Tristan, as you'll see. That's a lot, isn't it?
Alex outside.
Poisonous frogs. Alex is food. If you can't hear me, then I'm speaking to you subconsciously. And hopefully God will send you the message. I'm going to teach you a very important lesson. That there are millions of people out there who know all the crap he's going to say. I'm not going to start arguing the very valid points about your diet kills more than... No, I'm not even going to engage him. I'm just going to say, I don't care. And I think they're eating KFC chicken, telling them I don't care. And at the end of the debate, I'm going to say, I hope you learned a very important lesson. There are people out there who simply don't give a shit. You can talk to us about veganism as much as you like. You can make all your little talking points and all your little sound bites all you like. So I don't care. My brother doesn't care. Everyone I know doesn't care.
I told him exactly where to kick. And obviously it was ready machine, so easy. Yeah, you have to hit it right. So if you think about it, this has to be wedged in properly at the bottom. So when you hit it, it doesn't move. Because if it moves and my arm, me who was holding it, moves, that's when the shin can give. Because one or the other can give. So, and you have to hit it, you know how the stick goes, and just thicker here, you literally hit it like that. That part where it goes wider. For me, that's the weakest point. Yeah, so when you kicked it there, you could see the hand moved a little bit. Even the 50-kilo plates where the bat was inside moved a tiny bit. And I was proper holding it, so it's a lot of power.
Marginea asta care este sus. Da?
When you really go with oil you got, he will know. He'll tell you when to stop. You know, like, okay, it's fine. You can tell, you know. But then you get winded, why not? It's good for you.
I'm 6 years retired. You should have seen me when I was fucking kid. Machine gun.
Still a machine gun, Tate, what are you talking about? Guns, blazing.
Don't do walking. Now when I say this, people, what do you mean we don't do walking? Like all my kids, at the beginning, all I do is drinking. I must have 30, 40 a day. I'm never without them here.
Look, a lot's obviously changed from last time to this time. Last time we sat down was around 9 months ago. You had, at the time, been deplatformed from every social media platform.
I don't care. And that's actually another point.
I'll make into about this thing.
Whatever.